how to make brownies. First thing we need is a recipe. So let's go over our recipe. Sugar, vanilla, chocolate syrup, flour, vegetable oil. First thing we'll need 2.5 tablespoons. So we're gonna fill it up to the top. So I think I got a little too much. Okay, that's good. Pour it in your mixing bowl. It doesn't matter what kind you have, but so you're gonna get a whole thing of vegetable oil. You're gonna pour it in your cup. Okay. So you're gonna use some vanilla. I think you should use some of this kind, not the big kind. So you're gonna pour it in this one. So you're only gonna pour half of this. So you have to be really careful you don't. Okay, so you poured that. I accidentally poured too much. So you're gonna use some chocolate syrup. And you're gonna use this red one again. So you're gonna need 4 teaspoons. You're going to have to help you. Unless you have a little one. You're gonna need 4 of these, and you're gonna fill it up to the top. Okay, I think I did pretty good. It's pretty full. Okay, so now, it looks really good. Okay, so we're gonna use flour. Here's the flour. I just used a little bag, so we're gonna use 2 teaspoons of this. Fill it all the way to the top. Your hands are gonna be messy. I'm getting some flour off my hands. Okay, so you're gonna use 1 of this one, tablespoon, and you're gonna fill it up to the top. If you get too much, you can like level it. Yeah, I'm pretty much getting off, so you're not too good. Just like about that amount. That's what you do. Okay. Put that in the wrong place. Next, we stir it, right? So we're gonna stir it up. This is the only one I have right now, but we're gonna stir it up. You're supposed to stay at the bottom. So this is what it's supposed to look like after it's done stirring. Make sure you get the stuff on the side at the bottom. So now you're gonna grease your pan with this. Spread it around with a paper, with something, like I'm just using this. Next, you're gonna pour your batter in. It's supposed to look really shiny. So you're gonna take that off so you can do it. Put all your batter in your pan. Bake it for 15 minutes. Turn your easy bake oven on. how your brownie bake thing is supposed to look. You're gonna put it in sideways. Right now. And you're gonna make it for 15 minutes. So you're gonna push it in, as I said. I even down. Okay, now you leave it for 15 minutes. In 15 minutes. That was noisy. So, hi, we're gonna let these cool off a little bit. Then we come back, we're gonna cut them up, then we can eat some brownies. Now that the brownie has cooled off, you can cut them. You don't have to cut them. I just didn't want it to. Okay, I'm gonna cut it. After you cut it, take a big bite. Good, and that's how you make brownies with your easy bake oven. Hope you liked the video.